Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the hidden stories in corporate filings, especially when there is a change at the very top of leadership. Today we're digging into a recent filing from Lifeward Ltd. It looks like to raise a significant leadership shift happening, and we'll see what the numbers back it up. And before we dive in, if you enjoy getting these clear, simple breakdowns of complex corporate news, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a new Discord community linked in the description below where we discuss these filings further. So, the big news right out of the gate is the notification from Joseph Turk, who has been a Class I director and the chairperson of the board of directors for Lifeward Ltd, has decided to step down from the board. This change is set to be effective at the very end of this year, the 31st of December. The report makes it clear that this departure is not due to any disagreements about how the company has run its operations or its policies. Instead, the company is expressing deep gratitude for his distinguished service and lasting contributions, which is standard language, but important to note that there doesn't appear to be any drama or conflict involved here. Following Mr. Turk's exit, the board has appointed Robert J. Marshall Jr. to take over as the new chairperson of the board. This appointment will be effective starting the 1st of January 2026. So a smooth transition of power seems to be the plan. Now, Lifeward Ltd is an interesting company. They are incorporated in Israel, but they do have a significant presence and operations centered in the United States, with their principal executive offices listed in Marlborough, Massachusetts. Looking at how the company is structured for trading on the stock market, their ordinary shares are listed on the Nasdaq Capital Market under the ticker symbol LFWD. This is a key piece of information for investors trying to track the company's performance. And the report itself is signed by Almog Adar, who holds the title of Chief Financial Officer, dated the 19th of December 2025. This signature solidifies the authenticity of the information presented. While this filing is primarily about a leadership change and doesn't include detailed financial tables for the most recent quarter like a 10Q or an annual report like a 10K would, it is still important to understand the context of these leadership changes. A chairperson's role is crucial in setting the company's strategic direction and overseeing management. A smooth transition like this suggests stability, but the market will certainly be watching how the new leadership shapes the company's future. When we look at leadership changes, especially at the chairperson level, it often signals a potential shift in strategy or focus. While this report doesn't give us a deep dive into the financials, knowing that a new chairperson is coming on board in the new year is something investors and analysts will be keeping a close eye on. It is part of the ongoing story of Lifeward Ltd and how it navigates the competitive landscape. Now, looking at these updates more broadly, Lifeward Ltd appears to be prioritizing stability and a seamless leadership transition. The lack of reported disagreements with the departing chairperson, Joseph Turk, is a positive indicator as it suggests that the company's core operations and strategic direction are not being derailed by internal conflict. The appointment of Robert J. Marshall Jr. as the new chairperson is a natural next step, and the smooth handover from the 1st of January 2026 is designed to maintain continuity. A notable risk or opportunity here could lie in how the new chairperson influences the company's strategic initiatives and corporate governance. Will there be a new vision, or will Mr. Marshall Jr. continue with the established path? This is where the real story unfolds. For investors, understanding the new leadership's background and track record will be paramount in assessing the company's future direction. The fact that this change is happening at the very end of 2025 could also mean that significant strategic decisions or announcements might be on the horizon in the early part of 2026. In conclusion, this filing highlights a significant but seemingly smooth leadership transition at Lifeward Ltd while we don't have detailed financial data here. The stability in the handover process is a strong point. The real focus for investors will be on how the new leadership navigates the company forward. Alright, that is our quick decode of Lifeward Ltd's latest filing. What's your take on this leadership change and what it could mean for the company? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful corporate analyses. And don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for further discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next decode.